Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet and take it apart. This is the location of the drum glides, one on the left and one on the right. If the glides in your dryer are in bad shape, just replace them. Remove the bad glide and the piece of felt under the glide. You will need to get a new drum glide kit like this one. Clean the area real good and stick the new felt padding in place. Push on it to make sure that it sticks real good. And install the glide like this. Now let's replace the other glide. Remove the bad glide and remove the felt under the glide if you have one, if you haven't fall off. Clean the area so the felt padding will stick good. Stick the new felt padding in place and install the new glide. Now all you have to do is put the dryer back together. That was the way to replace the drum front glides. For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy part from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.